The Kruger National Park, with an area of 20,000 square kilometres, is the biggest conservation area in South Africa. It offers an excellent habitat to a huge number of animals. They live in a peaceful community that can also be called a neighbourhood. All these animals have adapted individually to their surroundings. The group behaviour of the unique species is very different, but always striving for the same things. It is all about surviving and reproducing. Herbivores, like the impala antelopes, have to be cautious and aware of predators. That's why many species tend to live in small groups or herds. It increases their chances of survival. Others count on their body size. No predator would go for a grown-up giraffe. It looks fragile, but the long legs can be used for deadly kicks. Baboons, on the other hand, are aware of how to withstand an attack. The front teeth of the male baboons are even bigger than the ones of the leopard. The baboons live in small groups or troops with a distinctive social behaviour. While some of the group members are playing around, clean each other or look for food, there is always someone acting as a sentry on the lookout for danger. Even in the animal world, arguments between neighbours are common, especially because of water. When it comes to this essential source, the stronger one will always win. The water here is as important as it is around the world. At waterholes and small riverbeds, a great variety of big and small creatures can be found. Those wet zones are also very important for insects. After a hot day, every creature is looking for a cool refreshment, even the biggest ones. Like the elephants, they always find an excuse to take a big splash in the lake. This one seems like a private pool party. Since 1926, when the Kruger National Park officially became a conservation area, the organisers tried to bring more tourists to the park, in the hope that this influx of business could help to maintain the diversity present in the park. Now, every year, more than 1 million visitors come to observe the wildlife. Tourists that come to visit are on one hand a troublemaker, while on the other they support the park and ensure its existence. In a national park, rules and laws have to be followed. Park rangers make sure that's going to happen by watching animal stocks, keeping hunters out, and trying to prevent economic damage. Humans are the closest neighbours of all animals, even in the Kruger National Park. The people who live at the borders of the park are allowed by the park management to take resources from the concession area for their own use. This concession helps these citizens outside the park to live in peace with their wildlife neighbourhood. This is the truth of the neighbourhood.